sooner or later.
Wagwan me YouTube family, and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to show you how to make garlic butter salmon with some honey glazed. So here we have some salmon fillet, and this is how it is looking. Some rainforest seafood salmon. So you can get salmon from your local grocery store or wherever you purchase your seafood. So first, to start off, we're going to season the salmon. So here I am pat drying the salmon. It was already rinsed in some vinegar to minimize the rawness from the fish. So I'm just pat drying to get rid of some of the water from it, because when I season it, I don't want it to be too waterlogged. So I'm just pat drying. Okay, so to season the salmon, I have here some crushed pimento seeds, and I'm just evenly distributing it over the salmon. If you have black pepper, you can go ahead and use your black pepper, but I choose not to use black pepper and use the crushed pimento seeds, and I'm just distributing it onto the fish on opposite sides. Afterwards, I'm going to add my Maggi all-purpose season. Yes, guys, you know me good old Maggi all-purpose season. So whatever season you have, you can use that as a substitute. But today I'm using some Maggi all-purpose. If you have fish season, you could go ahead and use the fish season. Both work just the same. So we're just applying the same thing, just applying the season onto the fish, and ensure that it is evenly distributed onto it. After applying the Maggi all-purpose season, we're going to go ahead and add the salt. Because you know, so we can't forget the salt. You can't cook and forget the salt, else it's not going to bring up the flavor in the food. Yes, so we have to add our salt. So we're just going to add the salt based on our preference, right? So we're going to distribute the salt over the fish on opposite sides just the same. After seasoning the salmon, we're just going to transfer them into this bowl and allow the seasoning to marinate into the salmon. So you're just going to use a plastic wrap, cover it, and let everything just sit and soak. Okay, so this is where things get a little bit fun. Okay, so to make the garlic butter with the honey glazed, we have here some simple ingredients, guys. It's not gonna be that complicated. It is very easy, a very easy step-by-step tutorial, right? So we have here our essentials, right? Our vegetable, you know, say the essential them here, the garlic, or onion, scallion, and thyme. First, we're going to mince the onion, the scallion, the garlic, and the thyme. So we're just going to continue to mince the vegetables. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so. You can learn at least one meal per upload. These are very easy and a step-by-step recipe that you can follow to preparing a complete meal. Also, let us see you in the comment section, because I reply to all comments. At least if it's also an I reply to every comment. So let us see you in the comment section. Okay, so this is the minced vegetables or garlic, onion, scallion, and thyme. Now moving on to the next step. So we're going to add our butter to the hot pan and allow the butter to melt. Watch this video to the end because I'll be tasting the meal, giving you my review on how it tastes. And I know you don't want to miss that part. That's the most fun and interested part. You want me to taste how does this garlic butter salmon taste it with that honey glazed sauce, right? Okay, so continue to watch to the end and you'll see that. Look at that butter, guys. Our marinated salmon is awaiting to sit right in that butter. So we want to add enough butter so that the salmon can be soaked properly. Okay, so we have the salmon here. Okay guys, look at that butter. So we're just going to allow the fish to be soaked into that butter. So we're gonna distribute it evenly over the fish so that it can be soaked properly in that butter. Then we're just going to add our garlic and our scallion, onion to get all that soaked into our fish. So we're just going to add those afterwards and allow them to soak. Okay, so with the garlic, you could add the garlic immediately as you add the butter and when it is melt and hot, or you could also add it during this step when you already added the fish and the butter is hot. You could add it now. So that's what we're about to do. We're going to add the garlic now and allow all that flavor to be extracted to the salmon. So we're just going to allow the salmon to be cooked on opposite side, well done. We don't want no dry salmon, guys. So watch to the end and see how we prepare our delicious garlic buttery honey glazed salmon with mashed potato and coleslaw. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. have been cooked into some garlic butter. Look at it, guys, very juicy. It is not dry, it is just juicy. Lovely. Look at that, guys. Very juicy. And you can see our pimento seeds sitting on top, and that succulent juice from the salmon. Okay guys, so now we're going to make our sauce for this salmon. So you can use the same pot that you use to cook your salmon, or you can go ahead and start fresh. So I just added the seasoning, that's the minced garlic, onion, and the thyme along with scallion, and I'm just mixing it into the melted garlic butter, and then we're going to saute to get all that flavor extracted into that delicious melted garlic butter. In this nice and delicious garlic melted butter. Smells so delicious, guys. You can smell that aroma combined together with the butter, onion, garlic, and the scallion. It smells so delicious, guys. So what I'm about to do next is I'm gonna jazz things up a little bit. This is optional, but I'm going to go ahead. Put some sauce in it, a bit of jerk sauce. Smell lovely, guys. So this is my twist on the just a little bit of jerk sauce. Next, I'm going to add some honey. You can add sugar if you please. Then just give that a mix. Look at that, guys. That juice from it. Okay. Just put that honey garlic sauce over it. Look at that, guys, mouth watering. Get all that sauce. Look at that, guys. very juicy piece of salmon. Look at that honey glazed garlic butter salmon. Nice and juicy. And just let that just soak in, guys. We don't want a dry salmon. We want the salmon well juicy and delicious. Look at that. Lovely. Okay guys, so take a tour of our plate. So we have the garlic butter salmon, and we have mashed potato and the coleslaw. Our delicious honey glazed sauce. And there you have it, our honey glazed salmon in garlic butter. Look at that, guys. Very juicy and delicious, mouth watering. The salmon not dry. And we have over here some mashed Irish potato, guys. I have a mouth around water just to pronounce. Just to say all I want it on the plate. I will sprinkle a little of the sauce on top, and we have over there some coleslaw with our purple cabbage and our carrots. What more do you need? Look at that complete meal, guys. Look at it. Straight out of Cooking with TZ and the Sea Kitchen. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so. Guys, I don't know me now go without trying this. Watch what I go on. Alright guys, so we are gonna try the salmon. And so first never stop, never save the best for last. Why no water and water. Alright. Tastes good. Tastes good. So you can taste the mayonnaise, the butter that's used to crush the Irish potato. You will taste the coleslaw, you know. Damn, tastes good. You can taste a hint of the onion that we grated on top of it. Tastes good. This KFC coleslaw can't beat this. We will go over to the salmon now. We'll see what I want for the salmon, you know. Look how it come off with ease, guys. Alright. Oh my god. Guys, you can taste the butter, the garlic butter flavor, the onion, a hint of the jerk sauce, that honey. I'm gonna go again and taste it. And it's not dry. It is so succulent, delicious, mouth watering, guys. Excuse me talking with the food in my mouth. See you later.